Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make garlic fingers and Donair sauce. You may not be familiar with garlic fingers because it's from the east coast of Canada. It's basically garlicky cheese pizza, but what makes it stand out is dipping it into Donair sauce. To get started, we're making pizza dough. Add half a tablespoon of instant yeast to 3/4 cups of warm water. Let this sit for a few minutes to activate. Add 2 cups of bread flour to a bowl along with half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, and give it a stir. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and the yeast mixture. Stir until you form a rough dough, then knead with your hands or a mixer for 5 to 10 minutes until the dough is smooth. This recipe will make 2 10-inch pizzas, so divide the dough in half. Form the dough into a ball and spray 2 bowls of cooking spray and add the dough in each. Cover the bowl and set in a warm place to rise for 1 hour or until doubled in size. Now we can make the Donair sauce. Add half a cup of sweetened condensed milk to a bowl along with half a teaspoon of garlic powder and a 1/4 cup of white vinegar. You can add less or more vinegar depending on how tangy you like it. Add 2 minced garlic cloves to 2 tablespoons of butter in a microwave-safe bowl, and melt this in the microwave. When the dough is ready, add a little olive oil to a 10-inch cast iron pan or pizza pan and spread evenly. Turn the dough out onto the pan and with your hands spread the dough to the edge. Now with a brush, spread the garlic butter evenly onto the dough, leaving a bit of the edge out. Add 2 cups of mozzarella cheese on top and spread evenly. This is the original version, but you can add bacon bits on top too. Bake in the oven at 425 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until the bottom is crispy and the cheese has slightly browned. Move it onto a cutting board and cut in the strips. Serve with the Donair sauce and that's it! I grew up eating this with pizza at every birthday party. I would go straight to the box of garlic fingers because it would always be the first to get eaten. And you have to make the Donair sauce. I would never make these without the sauce. It's the best part. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!